Meaning of hay fever.
Hay fever.
Hay fever.
Hay fever.
Hay fever. Hay fever, also known as allergic rhinitis, is an allergic reaction to environmental allergens such as pollen, dust mites, and animal dander. The symptoms of hay fever include a runny nose, sneezing, itchy eyes, and a stuffy or congested nose. The condition is common during the spring and summer months when plants release their pollens into the air. Hay fever can be managed with antihistamines, decongestants, and nasal sprays. In severe cases, allergen immunotherapy may be recommended to desensitize the immune system to the allergen.